I am hungry. Very, very hungry. Not for food, but for bubbles. Yes, the bubbles were wonderful. It gave the electric scooter a very cool look. But there was a problem. So, in my previous video, you could see the performance of the bubbles and it was great. But you don't know how many times I had to refill the bubble machines for every single video I recorded. There we go. Once unscrewed, you can force it open, just like that. So we open up the tank like that, and then we refill it, just like that. There we go. Done. And then we refill the tank, just like that. It's refilled. And then we just put the tank back in. Okay, so the tank has been filled up, and then we just put it back in like that, just like that, as you can see. And then we just close it up, just like that. This bottle is about 500 milliliters, and for that video I refilled it about 4 times. 4 times. And out of those 4 times I refilled it, this is how much it used. That's including the time I did some testing to see how long it lasts. Stop. Okay, there we go. Ran out. And it, wow, it lasted for over 4 minutes. But here's the thing. 4 minutes, but when you're cruising around, there's those bumps and stuff that reduces your time. So imagine that gives you about, let's say, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. That is not enough. I cannot have 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Come on. 3 minutes is boom, down the street, finish. That's not enough. So I'm going to be making an improved version of the bubble machine. I'm going to be combining everything and creating something better. Now, the running time is not the only problem. The other problem I had was when I mounted these things on the electric scooter, it wasn't really mounted properly. The other thing is I couldn't mount it properly because you also need access to the batteries, that's 1, and you also need access to the tank, that's 2. You don't get easy access, which is the problem. So that's why I need to make a better version. As you can see, I have a beautiful container right here. Open it up. I was planning to use this bottle right here. As you can see, it will give me a lot of run time. Then I realized that 500 milliliters, 500, is that all I'm getting? I had to go all out. 1 liter. 1 liter, that's what I need. So I'm going to be going with the 1 liter bottle instead of the 500. Okay, so let's start this project. The first step is I need to take apart these bubble machines. Disassembling the bubble machines, then cutting all the wiring. I'm going to trace out holes on the new body, then cut them out, and then hot glue the bubble machines to the new body. I'm going to cut a hole in the lid so the tank can fit inside the body. Then I'm going to retool all the wiring and then install a 7.4 volt lithium battery. It's going to overvolt the system by 1.4 volts, but we will deal with it. Then I'm going to do the plumbing to the new 1 liter tank, and then once that has been done, I can install everything inside the new body, fill up the tank, and it's done. Oh. Boom. Look at that. The whole bottle. Boom. That's half a tank right there. Half a tank. Okay, so which means I can test. Let's test this thing out. Okay, let's see how it's performing on just half a tank. It's complete, just like that. Okay, I'm going to install it and we'll test it out properly. But that's that. There's nothing else to do. Now all I have to do is just top up the tank so it'll have a full tank. And I'm telling you, this thing should have a very long running time. As you can see, the project has been completed. But look at that. Our tank is on quarter. We need to top that thing up. And it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just loosen this. Boom. Loosened. Look at that. And then we grab our refill right here. Open that up. There we go. We have the good stuff. Look at that, the good stuff. And then all we do is we go here and then we just top this thing up. Okay, so let's see if I can get it nicely in without spilling. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. A little bit more. Boom. It's done. Just like that. Look at that. A full tank of bubbles. Woo! This is going to be fun. And then all I have to do is just connect the battery and it's ready to go. I've mounted the switch down here for easy access. Look at that. On, off, boom. Easy. The bubble machine upgrade is installed and ready to go. As you can see, there's it right there. Look at that. Look at the back. As you can see, I combined those two bubble machines into one and all the bubbles are now concentrated. Alright, so that's how it looks. So the switch is right here. Now look at this. Okay, I'll switch it on. Boom. Look at the output. Look at that output. Woo! That's some crazy output right there. Woo! Yeah. And then when you combine it with all the lights, you'll switch this on. Boom. You have something deadly. Woo! Spicy. Okay, let me take this puppy for a spin. Look at that. Woo! Woo! And then when I'm finished, I just hit that button right there. Look at that. Oh, this thing's going to be deadly. All right. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.